guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the outcome and I am shockingly amazed. Like it maybe look weird to many people, but it's not looking that weird to me. It looks little cool. Like, I never ever tried coloring my eyebrows ever in my life. This is the first time and just instantly it just clicked in my mind. जब मैं ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल बना रही थी, इंस्टेंटली ये मेरे दिमाग में क्लिक हुआ, आई नॉट आई ट्राई टू कलर माई आईब्रोज इन अ डिफरेंट, लाइक यूजिंग डिफरेंट कलर, and I did it and I like it. And on the top of that, I had this split eyebrows, like it's a trend kind of on TikTok, so I did that also. If you want to know how I without cutting my real eyebrows, how I did this split eyebrows look, then here is the link. You will click here and straightly go to my video and see how I did this split eyebrow look. I'm amazed how it looks, how it's turned out. It's an amazingly different thing that I did in my life. You guys also should try it. Makeup is something is very personal. It's not something that what I do you have to do, or what you have to do I have to do the same. It's something that is very personal and you can do your own thing. You can try your own look. If you want to paint it pink, paint it pink. If you want to paint it red, paint it red. If you want to paint it blue, then go for blue. It's just up to you what you want to do. Watching this video, if you ever tried changing your color into pink, blue, green, whatever, then do not forget to tag me in my Instagram. Here is the handle of my profile, and I'll also put the direct link into my description. Tag me. I really want to see your recreation. And yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. Bye.